Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm vlog with Bisimai. I'm vlog with Bisimai. I appreciate everyone for always coming to watch my video. Work with me as we explore today's video. Can you subscribe to my channel? This is a fridge. That's the cover for the fridge in my room, and this is the fridge itself here. See, there's water inside. Yes, I have some bottle water here. Today I have a special vlog for you. Yes. Yesterday I went to town. I bought a microphone. So I went to town for the microphone. So work with me as we unbox the microphone. So my back here is my ceiling fan. Yeah, it's a new room. I haven't decorated the room. Yeah, this my bed and that stuff. You see, there's a bed here. You see the bed sticks here. My wardrobe. Yes, ceiling fan. So this is it, the microphone I bought. So I ordered. So work with me so that we unbox it. Let's go. Yes. So this is how it is. It's still here. Let me see what is inside. Let's see what is inside. Yes. Yes. So this is how it is. This is how it is. Yeah. This is how it is. This is how it is. So I'll open. See. Yes. So I'll open it. I'll open it and see what is inside. Yeah. Wow. Microphone. Let's see how it fits, man. Yes. So this is the manual for the microphone. This is the manual. And this is, I think, the cover for the microphone. See, I think this is the cover. Yes. So this one is like you used to, like here. You use it for like here. Yes. This is how. So and after that you connect the microphone. So I think when this one lost or this one is dirty, you can remove this one and insert this. Yes, that's how they've added additional head cover to it. So and this one you can use. Let me see how it is. Okay, this one is for type C, phone with type C. And if you're using Apple phone, that's iPhone, you insert this one like this and put it at the back of the iPhone like this. So that to be like this. If your phone is type C, you just remove only this one. You just remove only this one. And insert this one at the back of this thing. And this one, or you see, this one, let me see something here. Okay, you have this here. This hole is the one you use to charge microphone. So if the mic is low, you insert it here like this, and you add adapter so that you can charge it. Yeah, you can charge because sometimes it will go off. So it's two. It's two. One is here. It's two. One is here. So maybe if you're having an interview with someone or you're having some conversation, you take one, another one will take one. But this one is having the hook or the locker. Let me see. Hook or locker. So this is it. So you insert it. See, there's a so you insert it here. You yes, yes, so that it will lock like this. And you see, it will lock like this. It will lock like this. Let me show you. It will lock like this, so you can use it to lock your tie like this, so that you have the conversation with the person, so that you can get the clear sound, everything clearly. Yes. So that's how it is. It's two. One is here. So you do same and you give it to the other one or other person, and you start doing your interview or your vlog and whatever you want to do. And here is let me show you something. You see here, if you can see it clearly, there's a switch button here. There's a switch button here, or power. I don't see power. So you on and on. You see there's a light here. Good. If you see the green light, it means it has charged fully. But when you see red, it means it hasn't charged. You need to charge, or low battery. Let me see like that. Low battery, so you need to charge it. You need to charge it. You insert this one so that when you talk, you get clear sound, clear everything for your videos, for your everything. So this is how it is. So you see, it is giving green and red. It is indicating that it's getting low. It is getting low. But when it tend to only red, it means it is low. You need to charge it, otherwise it will go off. But when it's only red, it means it's fully charged. It's fully charged. It's fully charged. Green is fully charged. So when you see red and green, it means the thing is getting low. So charge it. And it didn't charge it, it will go off. So that when you make a video, anything, you not get clear sound. You will not get clear sound. Yes, you will not get clear sound. So this is my new the name of the is wireless. This is the name. I don't know if you can see. Yes. It's wireless. Yes. I don't know how to pronounce wireless. I say lava lavalia wireless lavalas wireless microphone. I don't know if I get the pronunciation correct. So this one you use for your videos. So this is how I unbox my new microphone, my wireless new microphone, my wireless new microphone, my wireless new microphone. Yes, this is how it is. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's support the channel. Bye bye.